Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is a little project I've got to show you today. It's a little bag with this cute little bunny rabbit on the front, and then you've got these ribbon handles. Okay, so let's get started and I'll show you. I'm going to start off with the stamping, and the stamp set I've used is called Fabled Friends. Let me bring that in. There we go, and you've got all these wonderful images here. You've got the squirrel, the bunny, the duck, the little ducklings. It's just an absolutely gorgeous set, and it's one I've used quite a number of times already. So I have the little rabbit set up here in my Stamparatus already, and I've just got a little piece of Whisper White in here, and this measures 1 3/4 inches by 4 1/4 inches. Okay, and then I'm just going to ink up rather our little bunny, and I'm using Memento ink because I'm going to colour him in using our blends, which are fast becoming one of my favourite colouring tools. Okay, so let's push down. I'm doing this so if I don't get a good impression the first time, I can always re-stamp him. That seems good anyway, but I think I'm going to just give him a second one because I get a nice black outline then. Yeah, lovely. So there's our little bunny all stamped up. Now I'm just going to give our bunny rabbit a little clean up here using our Stampin' Chamois, which I love. Makes cleaning your stamps a doddle. Okay, so let's close that up and put that aside. And now we are going to colour Bunny in, and I'll show you the colours I'm going to use, and I'll put you on fast forward through the colouring. I've got here Seaside Spray, and then I've got Crumb Cake. So Seaside Spray is for his jacket, Crumb Cake is for the bunny, and I've got Petal Pink for his little ears, and then I've got the Colour Lifter for mistakes. Okay, so let's get started and I'll put you on fast forward. Okay, that's the bunny that we have now, and you can see he's all beautifully coloured in, so I'm just going to set him aside for now, and I'm going to bring in our scoreboard because we're going to start to make our bag. Okay, let's see, let me zoom you back out again so you can see properly. Okay, and now I've got a piece of Seaside Spray, and this measures 8 1/4 inches by 10 3/4 inches. And on this long side, the 10 3/4 inches, you are going to score at 1 inch, 5 1/8. So that's a little tick mark after the 5. 6 1/8. There we go, and then 10 1/4. Okay, so you've got it at 1 inch, 5 1/8, 6 1/8, and 10 1/4. Then you're going to rotate it so that you're on the short side now, and you're going to score at 1 inch. And that is all your scoring done. So let's move this out the way. Now we are going to fold on all our score lines. So let me get my bone folder out. There we go. And so let's do this bottom one first. I'm just going to score there, and then let's do these side ones. And that one, and then this one. Okay, so that's it. We've folded on all our score lines. So now we are going to cut our tabs. So with your short little tab here at the end, the 1/4 inch one, you're going to cut off this little square here, or rectangle I should say, and get rid of that. Okay, and then you're just going to miter corners here. So let's do that. Take a slither there so it looks like that, and now we're just going to cut up to the score line here, here and here to create our tabs. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to use some tearing tape. Okay, and our box, just so you can see, is going to come together like that. Okay, rather like that. Okay, so we are going to need tearing tape initially on this section here. Okay, and let me show you. If you are folding it in, and this folds like this, and it folds in like that, that's your back. So here is where you're going to need to put your adhesive on this one. So if you've got adhesive there, your adhesive's going to go here. Okay, a few strips here. Keep this nice and put one more down. Good luck. Keep it in. Make sure it's nice and going to close nicely, stick nicely, and then because it's a pressure adhesive, just burnish your adhesive. Rub it in, press it down, and this means it will stick better and it's much easier to remove the backing afterward. Okay, so let's remove this backing here. And now all you're going to do is fold it round and bring these two bits to meet, the two sides to meet like that. Okay, and now what we're going to do is put in our sides first here, and then fold over our base like that. So adhesive off, and now we can just fold in our base like that. So now all you're going to do is take your bone folder and just use it down here, just to excuse the noise, just make sure everything's well stuck. Now, so that was our back, because that's where the seam is. So this is our front. So now we can stick our paper. I should have actually done this before I made up the box, but it's not the end of the world. So now we have, this is our designer series paper from the In Colour stack, and this piece measures 3 inches by 6 inches, and then this piece of Whisper White measures 3.5 inches by 6.25 inches. Okay, and they're going to look like that. So let's stick these together. Which side shall we use? This side? No, let's use the, I like the script side quite a lot, but you can use whichever side takes your fancy. Only thing is, if you're using the script side, when you stick it to the bag, make sure you have it the right way around, but you don't want your writing to be upside down. And I'm just warning you, because I've done that, and I'm pretty sure I wasn't the first, and I'm pretty sure I won't be the last either, but if I can stop someone else doing it, well then that's a good thing. Okay, so we're going to stick that down now to our box like this. So all I'm going to do again is put my hand into the box and just rub it down to make sure it's properly stuck. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Let's bring back our little bunny rabbit, and I'm going to stick him onto a piece of Night of Navy as well. And this piece of Night of Navy measures 2 inches by 4.5 inches. So I like matting things. I think giving everything a frame just makes it look so much better. It looks just much more professional and finished that way. So there we go. And now I'm going to pop him up using dimensionals. So let me get my dimensionals. I'm nearly at the end of the dimensionals, and you don't need to chuck it away when you've got nothing left. You definitely use these edges. They are dimensionals, just in a different form, and they work perfectly fine. So we're just going to use them up rather than waste them. Okay, put that down there, and put, so this is a bag. I want it to, I'm using quite a bit, because I want it to be stuck down properly. Don't want it to fall off halfway through, do you? So take the backings off of here. Lovely. Okay, and then we're going to wallop him down. Well, not wallop him down, that's a bit mean to me. Stick him down there. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I just love this colour with the Night of Navy. I just think it looks so pretty. Okay, so all I'm going to do at the top here is gently with my fingers just pinch in the top a bit. And then you just see, just massage it down. The sides, just to get it going. Okay, so now that I've got a pinch at the top, I'm going to take my hole punch and I'm going to make the holes for the ribbon. Which one do I want to use? No, the size will be fine. I'll do one there. Yeah, sort of even. It'll do. Okay, it's cute enough. And something this cute, it'll forgive every mistake, don't you think? Okay, and we're going to be using some of this glorious ribbon that's in the new catalogue called Seaside Spray. Metallic ribbon, I think it is. Yeah, metallic ribbon. Okay, and we're going to start from the inside. And we're just going to go round and out. Actually, I'm just going to make this into a point so it's easier to thread. And in and out. Oopsie daisy. Come on. Out you come. That's it. And back in again. I feel like I'm doing the hokey cokey. In, out, shake it all about. Okay, so then just, yeah, I'm a bit mad, don't worry. Figure out how tall you want your handles, that'll do for me. And then cut off your ribbon. Okay, and now we're just going to tie these two ends together. I'm going to do a double knot because a single knot's never going to cut it here. So let's do a double knot. Whoa. See, I can't even do a knot today. Oh dear. Let's do another one and try. Yeah, there we go. So, neaten up all these little bits of ribbon. Okay, so pull that out so your knot is hidden, and there we have it. one lovely little gift bag. I think they're just so cute. You know, if you're having a baby shower and you want to give a present for a baby shower, wouldn't that just be lovely to have a little present like a lovely little rattle or something in there? Wouldn't that just be gorgeous, you know? Or for a, you know, or for a kid's birthday or something. I love them. So that's the one I just made. That's the one I made before. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. If you want any information on the project, it'll be on my website, and the link to my website is below, as well as all my social media links and links to my Facebook group. So thank you again for watching, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!